Hello, I Jet, and this is my little brother, and today we're gonna how to make paper airplane. So we first fold it like this, then we make it like this. Then we need to do it like this and fold it again. See, I do like that first and do like that. Then you see this. Then you do it like this, like a little book. Then you open it again, like that. Then we're gonna do it in the fourth thick version and bend one and then the other one too. Okay, like that. Then try your best to do like this. Bend it like this. Make sure it's like this. And flip it. Okay, like that. And there's a thing in there. And do the other side again. Do it again. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna do something like this. Okay, flip it over like that. Then when you do like you bend it like that and bend the other side like that too. Maybe that should do it. This goes there and that goes there, and maybe this is a paper airplane. Let's see outside if it can fly it the most. Okay? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, go! And land it there. So thank you for our video.